Estelle, wake up. Wake up. I want to show you a magic trick. Yo, wake up, Estelle. Estelle, I want to show you a magic trick. Yo, wake up. Baby, wake up.
Yeah.
You missed your alarm clock.
Where?
I want to show you a magic trick. Estelle, wake up.
Not right now, Julius.
Wake up, Estelle. Yo, wake up.
What?
Wake up. I want to show you a magic trick.
Not right now, Julius.
Yeah, now, right now. No. Yeah, there we go. All right. Stay still.
What do you want?
Watch this. Don't move. Exactly where you are.
Yeah?
Yeah? You ready? Promise me you're not going to move if I flip the camera.
If you flip the camera.
Promise me you're not going to move. Promise?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm going to show you a magic trick with a knife.
Like,
Don't move. I've bandaged your fingers. Stop. Look at the knife. Look at the knife. Look at the knife. Look at the knife. Look at the knife.
what have you done?
Look at the knife.
What are you-
Look at the knife. Watch.
Oh, no, no. Ah! Ah, I can't believe you did this. I thought you got my finger off. What the heck is this?
Make sure to follow my real Instagram.